The last two oil rigs that I freed seems to be quite fun, so I think I'll record one in this episode. Of course, as you can see, to not cheat, I'll not use the guns like I am right now. So let's just do this. My sniper rifle, I've also got a shotgun and my trusty gold pistols, of course. Hello. How are you?
This area is restricted. Leave immediately.
I'm sorry. Oh, some badass quote that I can't think of right now. Can you get off? That'd be cool and funny, so. Okay, you just have to be awkward, don't you? Bye! Okay, let's not die. Switch to this, okay. Hey. Okay, be a bit careful, but, the reason why I find the oil rigs more fun than, like, bases is because they're a little more unique than others, and, don't die. There's not too many hard enemies. Like, there's these weird robot people things, that we saw just then, that weren't on the other two, and I thought weren't on this, but they're obviously on this one. So, that doesn't make it any less fun, it just makes it more challenging, but I don't want to die.
We need more units.
Do you? I'm special. Where are you? Oh, hello. Probably need to get out a little bit. Let's take advantage of our sniper rifle. Why don't I'll just die. That's always an option. Let's stand on here and see what we can snipe some people. Let's see then. He's a nice one. Oh. Okay then. Oh, he has a shotgun. I need those. Could we destroy this? No? Oh, there's someone. Okay, I thought he survived then. I was just about to complain, but, I hate it how they don't spawn in before you're actually there. It's not good. Like, there's literally no one. Oh, this is falling off. Hello? Oh, wow. You have to shoot it from this side then. Okay, seems legit. Right. Let's get to work. I've also got a, an upgrade for my tethers which make them stronger. How many shots can you take? Oh my god. It's a bit, overpowered. But you know, whatever. Pull that off, please. Yeah, there you go. So I have tons more oil things. Gas canister, I can't even remember what they're called. No. No, please. No, not again. Not like this. Okay, bye. What the? Wow. Nice aim there. It's a bit annoying how every single shot of an enemy can hit you even when you're falling at a high speed. Alright. Let's do a bit of this. This should be fun. Yes. Here's one. Is it? Well, I hope you don't mind if I'm just destroying these. Thanks for being okay with that. Okay, how much more things can go there? Ah! Wow! Did I just die again? What? He just shot the explosive barrel, like, I don't even care. I can only say that, the last two, oil rigs that I freed, I didn't die. But I know a way to get an achievement easily. It's the keeping it real, feat. You just have to keep, like, reeling in instead of parachuting, but of course I won't do that now. Okay, Leave or die. I've already died twice. In an alternate universe, I miss. These guys have a ridiculous amount of health. What just blew up? Oh my god. This guy just dies at anything. Ah. No. Okay, target moves fast. Good deduction there. Okay, there's one. Oh, whoops, wrong button. Yes. And the rest should be down there or up there. Oh, there they are. Ow. Much engagement, such wow. Speaking of which, I should probably put Doge mode on, which I said I'd do in an episode, but oh well. Next time I remember. Come on. Get knocked over. Oh my god. Stop connecting it to the flipping... Alright, we're done. Oh. We've done the whole of this region. So we completely... Yeah. So that's 2 out of 3 regions. I've just got this massive one now. Oh my god. Undiscovered. Where should we go? Town, that's quite a big town. Just for that. Not that I'll look at the rewards. I guess we'll go here then. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's oh my god, I hate these. Yeah, there's a crane. These are just annoying. Whatever. We can do it. No problem. Start not destroyed. Hello. How you doing? No. Oh my god. I've clicked about on offline mode about 8 times today. Stop reconnecting me. Okay, so if you just do that, that should take care of him. Yes. Where did you? Oh my god, the frames. Rates. Choose this. Oh. Let's use this. That aim. I'll take this. Hopefully there aren't any SAMs, and let us shoot all these things to get it down. Yes. Oh, there is. Well, it was fun while it lasted. Last time I liberated something like this, they had an Eden Spark. Ugh. For the times. I guess we'll pick this up for now, and then use it on this. Hello. How you doing? Okay. Should be them sorted out after millions of bullets. Okay, I'll just take this back. Because I like shotguns more. Oh my god, there's so much stuff to destroy over there. This is gonna be fun. Okay, so if I calculated the wind angle correctly, this should all destroy now. Not that the wind angle matters. Yes, there we go. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I guess we'll use a few Bavarian wingsuit missiles then. Okay, maybe not. Oh my god. Alright, well this is action-packed, I guess. Alright, oh, a tower. Why is the Transformers being blown up?
Bring down the strike team.
Strike team. Hello. Bye-bye. Alright, who can we snipe? Is that a... what? Duh. Okay. If only I had an Eden Spark right now. If only. Alright, I need people to be stood still because I'm bad at aiming. There we go. Well, that's quite a big thing there. Oh, there's someone. It's in a heavily armoured vehicle though. Whoa, what are these doing? Having a little dance. Hehe. I'm the king of the castle. Yes. How could I get someone? How you doing? Ah, grenade. Nice aim for once. I don't think the sniper rifle's the best idea. Except in that situation, but even then that wasn't a headshot, so I am very ashamed of my aiming. What the... could you move? Okay, seems legit, alright. Yeah, just, that's fair. Definitely, yeah. Okay. Yes! I'm surprised I could actually aim that, because usually aiming in a parachute is one of the most annoying things, and that was just pure luck. But it's a pretty good shot, you have to admit. This is just a smoking car. Oh. Yes. Longest headshot. How did I get 360 meters? That's pretty good, though. Yes. Heh. No, you destroy this then. Excellent. What other chaosness can we destroy? Oh, more people. More poo. Let's get this one. Poo. I don't even want to hit them in there because that's... he just moved his head into it. I don't want to hit them in the body because... they can survive that. It's a bit annoying. I'm so bad. Yes! Most consecutive headshots. Yeah, you'd think consecutive meant, in a row. My mouse is so bad at this type of thing. Yes. Oh, poo. No, that wasn't a headshot. Oh, well, let's get this. Surprising what you can do with just one of these. Oh, there's someone over there too. Oh, no, poo. What? I must kill him. Yes! 380 meters. Yes, boys. Hello there. Goodbye there. Ooh, a rocket launcher person. I very much want that. For my, evil intents and purposes. Oh, am I invincible? I just literally head-firsted into that missile. I need that rocket launcher. Please. It's better than my sniper rifle at destroying stuff by this point. At this point, I don't know. Hello. I just can't aim. Apparently. Stop! See, look at them shots. How is it possible for them to hit me? I'm just too fast and far away. Too fast and furious. Perfect place for bath. We're possibly almost maybe done. Half done. Ooh, someone to snipe. What an interesting turn of events. Hello. Oh, my only flipping. Okay. Well, you're coming with me. Hey! You're coming with me. How do I get him? You. There. No. What? Ow! Okay then. Don't tell me the helicopter didn't even take that. Okay, now you're getting it. There you go. Ah, beautiful chaos. Yes, excellent. Okay, let's open the gate for my friends here then. Hello there. Probably shouldn't hurt you, cause you look okay, but if you get in the way... Oh yeah, I needed to swap my weapon. Okay. I needed to swap my weapon because I ran out of ammo and everything. Except my golden guys. Oh, we could just use this. Let's see, where is everyone? Alright, just one more of these things. Excellent. Oh. Is that it? Ah! What the? Hey, there's a sniper over there. Hello, man. I need your ammo. Oh. That's just too tempting. Okay. Hello there.
He's bleeding.
Ah! No! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I need this. More like you need this. Okay. So, if you could just move a bit. Like, this way. Like this. Yes. And then, you go like this. Hehehe. That probably wasn't the best way to eliminate him, but it was fun. Hello. Run, Forrest. Okay, the excavator is down. Nope, move. What are you doing, you stupid imbecile? Oh my god. Okay, well that was lucky. Didn't produce such the explosion I expected it to. And the last thing to destroy in this base I probably shouldn't have done in this episode, because don't die now, otherwise I swear to god. There's just one more thing. Yes. Jeez. Oh, alright, on this one. Please. Make it so. Yes! 100! Well, thanks for watching this episode of random stuff. Oh, we got the capstone hydra, that's pretty cool, I guess. 5 things. Anyway, thanks for watching, like if you liked, and I'll see you next time.